Hi everyone, we're gonna make a very quick and nice recipe today for vegetarian people, which includes all the proteins, carbs, and the salads. So let's get into it. So सबसे पहले हमें चाहिए सैलड और प्याज, एवोकाडो, cucumber एंड ये ऑप्शनल है, आप कोई भी पिकल ऐड कर सकते हो। और सॉस के लिए हमें चाहिए टोमेटो सॉस, हॉट चिली सॉस, sour cream, and you can choose your sauce according to your taste. I'm vegan, so I'm using vegan mayo and vegan garlic sauce. And for more stuffing, you can add kidney beans, white chana, chickpeas, and I just put some paneer as well. So just get into the recipe, and the most important thing, these small boards which you can easily get from the market. So here I will take two boards and I'll microwave it for 20 seconds. We'll take it out after 20 seconds. Here I will take some sour cream and some mayo. I'll make two different boards. Add all your salads and pickle in a bowl. Now you can add your beans, chickpeas and paneer. Add your chili sauce, tomato sauce, vegan mayo sauce, and mix it really well. And now fill your boards. So that's your super healthy breakfast or lunch recipe ready. So you can add even in your dinner as well. So hope you like it. Enjoy. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.